Hello friends, welcome to my channel if you are new, welcome back if you are returning. My name is Keisha and I'm here to plan for the week of May 20th through the 26th. This is my planner that I use at school. I'm now on, I think this is my third week on this layout. I actually really like it. Again, the only downside tends to be that this checklist is really close to the rings, but still, I mean, I like it. I like this layout. So I'm kind of excited to see what next year would entail, maybe bringing these down just a little bit so that I can, do different periods or something, but and then leave my checklist down below. I don't know. I just like the weekly on 2 pages. This week I'm using lemons as my theme. Why? Because it's just about summer. So yeah. I printed these on my Cricut. I also printed some on clear sticker paper, but I had to hand cut them. So they are literally in this envelope because I wasn't about to organize all of that. So if you want to see this plan with me, then just stick around. All right, I cannot believe it, but we are officially to Layla's last week of school, which is crazy pants. These numbers are a little large, but I just liked this font. It kind of reminds me of SpongeBob. I made these on Canva. Oh, that is not going to fit there, so I'll just put it above. Actually, maybe I should have put the other ones above. Maybe I'll do the same up here. Kind of fun little depth. Oh, that one's ripping a little bit. There we go. Usually this paper doesn't rip. So, but yeah, we are officially, I shouldn't say we. Layla's officially to the last week of school. My last week, because I work at a different school, different district. I'm actually in a public school. She goes to a private Catholic school. That is crooked. But we actually go until after Memorial Day. Yeah, it's ridiculous. In fact, my contract goes until like June, I don't know, 4th or something like that. This is not coming up. Let's hope that it does. But Layla is done with school before Memorial Day. She started the same day as us too. It's very interesting. She had all the same days off for fall break or spring break that I did. That's gonna rip if I move that. Oh well, all the rest look cool. All right, we will get our white out and white out Layla's lunches because I have a sticker that will easily go over this, and I have a sticker for workout. Layla does not have a lot of lunches this week because Wednesday is early out for them. They normally have early out and they don't feed them on early out days. They get out at 12:30. And then Friday is early out because it's the last day of school. So yeah. And then I have these to-do scripts that I will put over these boxes. And I wanted these actually in clear. I did have them in clear, but I just didn't love, for some reason my Cricut just didn't pick up the registration marks. So we just have to stick with what we have, right? And that is stickers that are weird. Just kidding. Just a situation that I had to hand print them. So there's one strip. Make sure that I line these up all the same. I mean, it sucks that I have to do it like this, but I mean, kind of actually works a little bit better because last week, if you were here last week or if you watched my video from last week, you saw how weird cutting these stickers were. And I apologize if you hear any talking. School just got out and there might be teachers in the hallway or something like that, or students that have decided to linger. Why they decide to linger, I don't know, because it's not like they're the best students. I shouldn't say that. The students that tend to linger are not always the best of students that decide to linger, if that makes sense. For those of you that are in education, you probably understand it's like you don't want to be here when you're here. You don't give your best work when you are here, but getting you out in the afternoon is merely impossible. It's just kind of funny and a little asinine. I don't know, just my opinion. Okay, I have a corner sticker here that I'll put down, still clear. And then I have another corner sticker I'm gonna put up here. I think these boxes are also going to change next year to what, I don't know. But I do like them. I just not sure how I want to prioritize this area, you know? Make yourself proud. These ones are on paper. I like quotes on clear stickers, but I really do like these quotes that I found. I like them on the opaque. You know what I mean? I mean, I have them on clear. I could easily use them on clear. But yeah, just kind of a fun little mix. Let's do these ones right here. Okay. And I think that's good for now for there. All right, let's do these header stickers. So I have like a Monday. We'll do Tuesday in the middle. It kind of feels like full box stickers. I think my next week I'm gonna do like a kit, how I would have decorated like an Erin Condren, if that makes sense. Kind of mix it up a little bit. We'll do this on the bottom. This kind of feels like Erin Condren-y, where you do like, you know, the layers. Then we'll do this up top. Kind of like the pattern going on here. This one in the middle. And we'll do one down below. Then I think I will do this lemon sticker just up here in this corner, like this, kind of a style for the weekend. Okay, now that was quick. Now let's look at what our days could look like or do look like. So Monday I have a meeting. I'm gonna pull this sticker in. It's just a box again that I made. Tuesday, Layla has gymnastics. We'll pull in one of the lemon stickers. And I'll put it down towards the bottom. Wednesday, Layla has early release. And let's see. So this is an early release right here. Let's see what it fits on comfortably. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So we'll do early release. I'm not gonna do it on the yellow one yet because I need to see what that looks like. Normally they would have mass on Wednesday, but they actually don't. The last mass is on Friday. Thursday, I have a big meeting at the district, and then we have ice skating at night. So my big meeting I will mark with, we'll do green. We will do green. Okay, it's a little crooked. Let's see if I can pull that up. Sometimes when I put it down, it will not come up. I had a lot of fun designing these. I think this is such a bright sticker book. We'll do early release on a yellow sticker since this is on green. Okay, early release, we'll put this down here. And then Layla's last day of first grade sticker. don't think it fits in anything. So because of that, let's put down, let's put down this clear sticker. I'm not done. I'm gonna do the other side with another, like what I used for a header, but it's clear. I'm gonna use this as like my backdrop. Is it normally meant to be like this? No, but I'm gonna make it like that. So it's got a cute background. Okay, so we'll throw these away. And I think that's it. Let me get some scripts for these different activities we have. All right, so we have little gymnast sticker from Print Petticoat Bandit. Put that girl right here. I have a Layla script, which I made on clear sticker paper, but again, my Cricut, it likes to pick and choose when it wants to cut on this thick paper. So there's for that. Then I have this gymnastics script that I made using my Cricut, but this one's not clear sticker paper. Then I have this meeting. It's actually a board meeting. So it's like with my board and the principal, it's kind of like a big deal. And I think I want to put a box just below it. I did that this week and I really liked that, to like put what it is, put the time, and then like write a line, you know what I mean? And then I have a meeting on Thursday. It's actually just a training, but that's okay. I will just call it a meeting. And then I will put, oh, that is crooked. Let's get a new one in there. All right, I got that another meeting sticker. Let's use my tweezers so I can try and put it on straight. Try. All right, and then this day we have, my kids have skate lessons. Layla is doing figure skating and Buddy is doing hockey. I mean, they're both doing like learn to skate programs, but Layla's obviously, you know, idea is figure skating and his idea is hockey. So skating for the kids. And then I'm gonna put in this kid sticker right here. All right, and for this meeting, I'm gonna put another one of those little yellow ones, or another little one, so that I can like draw the line. Another thing I completely forgot about is that I have our last HSA meeting. Oh no, not this day. No, this day, the 23rd. We were gonna do it after school gets out, I think, but yeah, we can't do that. So I have this HSA meeting sticker. I'm not gonna put it in a box, but that actually happens after skating, but oh well, I didn't do it in order. So all right, let's see if there's anything else I can add to this. I think I want to add in that I have Zumba. So we have Zumba, I have Zumba on Wednesday. I'll do that right there, or I'll do that. Come on. Man, I am just getting sticker happy, just dropping stickers wherever I want. And then we'll do it on Saturday. Okay, and let's find a Zumba sticker for Mom or me. Zumba and Zumba. And actually, oh, I was gonna say, I think I have an all-day meeting this day, but no, I don't. Again, I'm like a week behind myself. Just, yeah. Okay, let me get this completely filled out and back in my planner, and then I will show you what the end results really look like. All right, I'm back in my planner and I love this. I love how bright and green and yellow and just so summery this is. Granted, this is not the first week of summer. It is not even my first week of summer break, but I just wanted something summery. It's like getting nicer outside. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So, again, I made these on Canva. I used a pretty decent amount, the clear ones. I even used a pretty decent amount of those. What I probably will do is just use these in my mini, especially this, whatever's left over. And yeah, so if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.